Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And just came back from swim already afternoon. And I was thinking, even if this is afternoon, it deserves to be a little bit more serious. So I want to show you something. I have one trouble to find the right color for my foundation. So I got this foundation. It's a gift. It's a winner unboxing. And they have 3 little bottles. And oh, where is the third bottle? They have 3 bottles. One bottle is very dark. One bottle is medium, a little bit lighter than my skin, and another one is even more lighter than my skin. So it never really fits into my skin, so I blend it. And the dark one is finished. Sorry, I'm so 讨厌. The dark one is finished. I need another dark one. So I bought these. This looks so pretty. You know why I got it? It's because of the little mechanism. You know, there are foundations use a cotton tip or sponge tip. You dip in and get out. I just feel this one has a little pump, a little bit of mechanism. So I love it. So I bought this bottle. Look at it. Oh, a little bit dirty. But isn't it pretty? So I blend them. That one and fill into this bottle. See the color? More or less the same. Maybe I put a little bit more to blend a little bit. Then put on my face. What do you think of this method? Do you use the same method? That blend a little bit this, a little bit that, to make it the right color? I find it fun. I always like to do this adjustment, my bricolage. I love this little bricolage. It's fun. What is the English translation for bricolage? It's a little bit of this and that. Le machin, les trucs, les astuces. What is the English word for bricolage? Crafty? No. Do some dirty work. This way I can adjust the color of it to the very, very, very detail. Give it a couple of minutes for it to cool down, to dry up. I will go to wash my hands. Okay, it's pretty much dried up. Another good news, it's about to finish. I love when something finish. I love when something finish. Makes me happy. There is hope for the new one. I think the hardest thing is to find the right color. Sometimes you go to Target, they have sometimes too bright light. It's kind of not accurate to the skin color, and you always end up something not so right, so that you can have a chance to do the bricolage to adjust. I love it.